Hey guys, Cam here, and this year's Android Pie update was slightly different to others in that handsets other than the Google ones were allowed in on the developer preview phase. And this week, the OnePlus 6 left that phase and made the software available as an open beta. And while it's not as simple as just signing up to a beta and getting an over-the-air update, it's still pretty simple to join. First up, you have to head to the relevant OnePlus community forum posts. Here you can download the zip file to your computer. Wait for it to be downloaded and then plug in your OnePlus 6 to your PC and make sure you've selected the file transfer mode on the screen. Now you need to drag that zip file, make sure you don't expand it, into your phone's memory and wait for it to copy over. Once it's finished, head to the software updates section within your phone's settings menu and hit the cog in the top right corner. Tap local upgrade and you should see the zip file you've dragged over earlier. Select it and then press install now to start the install process. Once it's installed, reboot the phone and then you'll be running the open beta for Android Pie on your OnePlus 6. Now the first thing you'll want to do is check out the new navigation option. In the settings menu, you'll find an option for buttons and gestures. Now select navigation bar and gestures and you'll see a new back home option. This then activates the Pixel-like navigation system. Swipe up on the pill-shaped home button and you'll access the new card-based multitasking screen. Pull it right and you'll be able to quickly switch between apps. It's not exactly the same as the Pixel though, because you can't drag up on it again to launch the apps drawer. Plus the cards are rounded and it doesn't have your frequent apps or Google search at the bottom of the screen. And while the drop-down quick setting shade features the same round icons and notification style of the Pi software on the Pixel, you still get that OnePlus Oxygen OS customization. You can choose between the 3 different themes, and with the dark light options, you can also choose your own highlight color, either from the options already available, or for the first time by being able to create your own custom highlight. Now, like Pi on the Pixel, you also get the adaptive battery feature that learns how you use apps over time and ensures nothing excessively drains your battery, making it last even longer than it already did. Sadly though, digital well-being isn't functioning or compatible with the OnePlus 6 yet. That's still in beta and only works on the Pixel family phones. So that's been a quick look for you at Android Pie on the OnePlus 6 and how to install it. Hope you've enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. I'll see you again soon.